Red na.
You want to try it?
Like this? Kasha.
Kasha? Can you walk?
Oh, yun, I need to.
Good. Wait, hold it tight. Big. Up, other side.
Papa, I want this one.
Okay.
I changed my mind.
Hi, guys.
Papa!
Yes, this
I
one?
want this.
6.
Yes.
6.5.
Papa, here's your shoes. Papa, say thank you.
Thank you, baby. You want this one for me?
And
Sobrang
also,
bright
I
naman
pick
to.
you the premium shirt. Can this be yours? Papa, can this be yours?
Oh, big. Malaki
Kuya,
na.
ate
Maybe
malaki po.
6.5? Para magamit mo ng matagal?
Sa school eh. Or panglak. Ay!
Meron. Is it fit or is it too big?
It fitted. Red na.
You want to try it?
Like this? Kasha.
Kasha? Can you walk?
Oh, yun, I need to.
Good. Wait, hold it tight. Big. Up, other side. Like this. This, see?
Okay. Like this?
Yes. Now do the bunny ears. Good girl. See?
This.
It's tighter. You like it. Wanna walk? Para maluwag, baby.
Oo nga.
Good, that looks good on you.
Papa, can you fix this?
Of course I can. One big. Okay.
Okay.
Keep it tight. You do the bunny ears. Okay? See the bunny ears? Keep it tight. Then you pull this until it's tight. But see, look, lift it up. Yan, keep it there. Gusto shoes. Yung shoes mo pang tennis daw. So your mom wants me to get you something for tennis because I think she's gonna have you play tennis with her. Which one do you want for tennis? White?
Yeah.
And now we're gonna pick out, she wants me to get you an outfit for your tennis.
Papa, ito na lang shoes ko. Isa lang.
Ayaw mo na yung black? Sure ka?
Yes.
Mas gusto mo yan?
Apa.
Okay.
Maganda na to eh. Okay.
Sure ka ayaw mo ng dalawa?
Ayaw ko na yung
Wait.
black eh. Kasi gusto ko yung ito na lang.
Is it comfortable?
Yes.
Oh, it's pretty big here.
Even though.
But it's okay.
Yeah.
Because
Can you fix?
Because you're gonna grow, right?
Yeah.
Time to cut bangs, Katie. Yes, love you. Ay, hindi na naman. Ay, what's the... Love you. Love you.
Ay, pambaba. Hindi, okay nga naman yun. Jacket na, ano yung jacket na...
You want that? Tingnan mo. Wow, ganda na ulit ng hair. Thank you. Thank you, Mama JJ. Wow. I love you. Gusto mo na mag-taping si Mama? Bakit? Uwi na.
Wala po. Nagtatanong lang.
Wala po, Ma'am.
Wala po, ma'am. Thank you, GMA. Sa bagong work po ni Mama. Yay! May pambili na ulit akong candies and order sa... Sana po magnood po kayo ng Sanggang Dikit FR. Kasama din yung Ninang Jen ko po. Promise po, nood po kayo ha.
Bibilan, oh. Hugas si Katie. At sipag yan ni Katie. Abo.
Masipag lahat kami pigla namin.
Pati pinggan daw ni na, Ma'am.
Okay.
Oh, wow! Ang galing. Oh, basta naka-video na.
Naka-record.
Oh, recorded to. Masipag naman ni Katie.
Saan ko po ito lalagay doon?
Dito na, oo. Yan. Taog mo dyan. Abo, oh, timo.
Itaas nga yung ano. Lang yung ano, damit.
Yung iyong ano, damit. Tataas mo, mababasa yan. Oh, diba? Oh, sabihin mo, dito ka kakain. Lagi. Remember Tita Bea yung nagbubuhat sa'yo dati? Ay, karga daw ulit. Try. Tapos inikot mo pa siya, Ma. Inikot mo pa siya dati. Oh, tama na, tama na. You're so heavy na.
Saan po merong Dubai chocolate? Naghahanap po ako sa may Philippines.
Kasi pag sa Dubai,
Ang layo po. I want to eat Dubai chocolate with my mom pa kasi masarap po. Hindi ko po alam kung saan meron. Comment down below. Thank you. I love you. Hi guys! Mag-miss ako sa school. Sana manalo po ako. Pray niyo po ako. Please support me. Kakanta din ako. Masaya din sila. Sa August 27 po yung intrams namin. Sana po manalo po kayo. What? Sana po manalo po ako.